All right, actually, I'll do add this little unboxing here from the Ted Porter's Beamer Shop. Actually, everybody see my Ted Porter's Beamer Shop. And TracTive suspension. This will be for the front forks on that lovely bike right there. Sorry about the mess here. Doing some remodeling. Still got more work to do on the garage here. And that's the 890 Adventure RS. I just call it Rally Sport. That's funny because, anyway. That'd be, let me show you what this thing could. I went wild. Let me show you what this thing comes. Let me show you what this thing. I don't know why I'm doing. I pulled the camera away. Okay. Anyway, that. And what's really great is they give you these little. What is this? Cookies? Oh, look at that. Oh, strip waffle. Man, mini. Oh, that's wild. They used to give you a little, I think butterscotch or some little candy in there. That's pretty cool. And just set it down there now. And they put these over here to protect the cartridges. So this is the cartridges for this dude. And, yeah. There's the final bill adding to this. Ooh. $16.95. That's what I paid. Shipping is $14. Now, and oh wow, let me get this going. Oh, they give you oil. That's really nice. I mean, you can call them up. Actually, what's really nice about this company, if you're in doubt, call them up. Oh wow, I'm not doing a very good job of recording this. You get the fork oil. Get the fork oil. The rear shock, it just came in the whole thing together. You just put it on the bike. And then you got your, how much oil do I need? Is that, oh wow. They only give me one? Maybe that's probably all I need. And they give me, like a tool of some kind. Yeah, okay. Oh no, that's the, that's the adjustments on top of the forks. Yeah. Oh yeah. Cool. For the preload and all that, I guess. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's nice. Ooh wee. Oh, that is real nice. So there's the cartridges that go down in there. So, nice. And the springs. I'm gonna put it down there where I had it. And there's the springs. And I gave them my weight, which I'm 260 pounds. And I can really smell that oil, but it's bone dry here. You can really smell that oil. Oh wow, you can, man. That's funny how this could have been sitting around other bottles. Racing fork oil, 15 weight. Oh, Motorex, oil of Switzerland. Man, this almost smells like machine oil. It's pretty good. Really good. Anyway, and it's really clean. Really, there's nothing on my hands. But I smell that bottle, and it has definitely the smell like I opened it up. That's the first thing I noticed when I smelled it. I thought, oh no, I've got a leak. I got a bottle busted open in here. But you got to remember they probably get this in large, bulk. So it's going to be with a bunch of bottles in a container that has a lot of that. So here's my springs that go in the forks, and they look exactly the same. There's no left and right. No, they're going to be the same. They got to be evened out. You just set preload and compression and rebound and that kind of stuff. Hold the phone over the object. And we got more candy or cookies or whatever. And there's the other cartridge. Oh, this is going to be really cool. This is going to be, so here's one, and it's going to give me another 20 millimeters of travel. That's really cool. So, makes you wonder. Well, if you take 10 millimeters up, 10 millimeters down, there's your 20 millimeters right there. So it's not, you're not going to go 20 millimeters higher, you know, that's for sure. And so this goes in those forks right there, the cartridges, and I'll have to set them up. I'll probably put these together, and then, you know, there's a lot of videos on building these, but I'll get anxious and just put it in myself and get it all together. And if I need any help, I'll got a good motorcycle mechanic where I bought my bike, and I bought my bike from. Actually, I bought all three KTM. No, I bought 2 KTMs and the Aprilia Touareg from Commonwealth Motorcycles in Louisville, Kentucky, and those guys are great. I tell you what, they really. I should stay out of there. I keep getting a bike every time I go into a place. No, I'm just kidding. No, but I go up there occasionally and visit. You know, look at the helmets they got. They got a lot of nice stuff. And you get your oil and filter there. I've had my Aprilia Touareg. I had it serviced. I did my 1290. I did that myself. Serviced it myself because I knew I could reset the service warning on it, which I couldn't do it on my Aprilia. And plus, I wanted them to put the quick shifter, and they did that. Did a great job. And it's hard to see that from all that mess over there. But here it is, and these from TracTive, purchased from Ted Beamer's, Ted Porter's Beamer Shop, and those are the guys, the go-to guys. They really know their stuff, and that's going to be really good. I hope. What I'd really like to see, and I'd love to do it, on them forks where we'll say TracTive, that will kind of set it apart, letting you know that this has got the upgraded performance suspension. Maybe, look at it. Look, I got what? They give you tools. Great. They gave me an adjustment tool for my set my preload and rebound compression and high speed and a low speed compression on the rear shock. They gave me that's pretty cool. It's like a baseball stitching or something. Makes you think of one. Anyway, that's cool. I like that. And it gave me a tool with that too. So they give you the tools to put it together. And that is really nice. Oh, please let. Oh yeah, here we are. Oh, look at that. Oh, they do. I think that'll be. If that is the. If these will definitely.